Today, we're going to look at two ways you can remove unnecessary distractions from your working environment that will help to reduce your cognitive load and help you focus on the work in hand. So, first of all, we're going to look at this Google slide presentation, and you can use some of the same principles when working in other Google Workspace tools. So, at the moment, there's a lot going on beyond the slide itself. So, over here on the left hand side, you can see the film strip, and at the bottom, there are speaker notes. So, again, if we're not using those, we can turn those off. If I go into view, show speaker notes, I'm going to turn that off, and view show film strip, turn that off. So immediately we've got more real estate to work with and less distraction. But there's still a lot going on at the top. Now, there are different things we can do here as well. I can go into my bookmarks and then hide my bookmarks bar. Often what you can do in Google Workspace as well is this little button here, which is hide the menus. So again, we're immediately removing distraction. But if ultimately you want to really remove distraction, there's also a button on your keyboard. It's at the top row and it's a rectangle. And if you click on that, it's going to remove those top bars as well. So again, we've removed the other tabs. I can't see that. And so all the time we're looking at how we can remove distraction from our page. So again, use those principles when working in Google Workspace. But if we're actually on a browser tab and a website, then there's actually a tool we can use that's in the options menu down here. And we go to more tools and it's called reading mode. And immediately you can see how this has reduced the cognitive load of the page by taking out all the other distractions, all the other links, unnecessary images, and it's just focused on what is necessary on the page. So again, that's a lot shorter. It's also changed it into different color settings and fonts that we can also adjust. Now, in this mode, you do have a reading mode. You can click play and it will read to you, adapting the speed. You can change the font, making that bigger and smaller. If we click on settings, this is where you can really adapt things, changing the colors, the fonts, the line heights, the spacing. You can choose the voice that you want to read to you and different options there. You can remove the links, you can remove the images as well. So again, all the time reducing the cognitive load. And this might be great as a way of then taking that, whether you want to print it out for students or share that with students as well. If this is something you're going to use regularly, you can actually pin the reading mode so that it appears here on your toolbar, and then you can access that easily. And it will retain your settings. So if you go onto a different website, it will retain the settings that you previously had. I hope these features will help you remove the distractions and the cognitive load and help you to focus fully on your work.